Hello, my name is David Capotosto, CEO of Ropeless Systems. Thank you for attending our presentation today. In this presentation, we will provide an update on the activities of Ropeless Systems Incorporated since we last met a year ago. We've been extremely busy, as you'll see in the following slides. For those not familiar with our technology, the Ropeless RISER submerged system consists of three pieces. There's an enclosed flotation bag, a transponder actuator, and the gas supply, all mounted onto a supporting structure. This approach allows for a very flexible design and is highly configurable by end users to meet the needs of different fishing activities and operations. The use of our in-water recovery system can make deck operations safer and more efficient. Why airbag technology? Ropeless RISER employs enclosed flotation bags, also known as underwater lift bags, to recover fishing gear from the sea floor. We chose to use this flotation technology for several reasons. First, it provides the most buoyancy in the smallest size and weight package possible. Second, it's extremely reliable and durable, as evidenced by decades of use in the marine salvage and military communities. Lastly, utilizing flotation bags provides the ability to operate in high currents and will actuate even if the gear ends up upside down on the seafloor. But today, we'd like to concentrate on what makes our technology different than all other approaches to ropeless fishing. The answer is something we call single ping positioning. Single ping positioning is our approach to directional ranging. As the name single ping positioning implies, the technology utilizes environmentally friendly, very short duration pulses to identify and uniquely characterize the gear on the bottom. It distinguishes individual traps from trawls, as well as identifying the ownership of the gear. Is it mine, or does it belong to another fisherman? Additionally, it facilitates the ability to integrate the control and display of the gear information with standard chart plotters. Just as important as what it does is what it does not do. Our approach requires no complicated ship maneuvers and nothing to report. It replaces the deck box and transducer over the side with a hull-mounted transducer and chart plotter display. You can truly fish like you fish now. Although our integrated transponder actuator and chart plotter display and control systems are not yet complete, we've been very busy throughout 2021 delivering a variant of our Ropeless RISER systems. This variant utilizes our receive-only acoustic actuators with the same enclosed flotation bags. This was done due to request to get the submerged equipment into the hands of fishers for testing, so that they can start to assess the feasibility of operations on deck and the capability and reliability of the systems to recover gear under actual fishing operations. To date, these systems have been tested in Scotland, Canada, and here in New England. They've been fished in strong tidal currents, and they've been tested to depths of up to 300 feet. The reports that we've received back from the fishermen is that the system has been extremely reliable, efficient, and easy to use. The Ropeless Systems team is hard at work right now completing a fully functional demonstration system that will consist of multiple transponder actuators and a topside transceiver system that is fully integrated with a chart plotter. This integration allows the submerged gear to be displayed and controlled by the operator on the chart plotter. To the right is an example of an open CPN chart plotter display showing ropeless gear. We anticipate completing this by the end of this year, and we're seeking participants that would like to test these systems on actual fishing vessels. Ropeless Systems is a member of the National Marine Electronics Association, or NMEA. NMEA is a U.S.-based trade organization setting standards of communication between marine electronics. Ropeless Systems personnel are serving on the NMEA OneNet Standard Design Committee. This new Ethernet-based protocol will replace NMEA 2000 and its predecessor, NMEA 0183. The objective is to create a new standard messaging protocol for the display and control of traps and trawls, and to have that protocol included in the new standard. Our involvement in the development of this standard is a direct result of our chart plotter integration activities. In closing, you can now see that Ropeless RISER provides a true end-to-end solution for ropeless fishing. It provides for gear retrieval, conflict avoidance, and real-time visibility. At the same time, it provides a solution for the location and recovery of lost gear. Ropeless RISER is not a theoretical technology. It is real gear available today, with significant technical enhancements arriving by the end of the year. We look forward to working with all parties, fishermen, regulators, and NGOs that are interested in testing our technology and working with us to advance the adoption of ropeless fishing.